Hello everyone, welcome to Glory Talk channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry with coconut milk. In Thailand we call Panang Chicken. Let's start it. Let's introduce ingredients. I start with 500 grams of chicken cut to small pieces like this. 2 tablespoons of Panang curry paste. Coconut milk. 1 cup for the curry. Half a cup for the curry paste. Palm sugar. Next, fish salt and salt. Kaffir lime leaf and red chili pepper. And now I'm gonna cut red bell pepper to small pieces. Yeah, when you cut and you see the middle like this, you see the peel and everything, right? Take them out before you continue. Cut it again. I'm going to chop the Kaffir lime leaf. You have to take the middle out like this. Put under like this. When you take the middle out already, you roll it for cut easy. Roll like this. See that? I'm gonna chop it to small piece. Okay, now I'm ready to cook because my Kaffir lime leaf and my chili done. Set up the pan with a low heat. Put half of cup coconut milk into the pan and continue stirring it until the coconut milk boil. When you see the bubble around like it, it means ready to put curry paste into it. And we keep stirring like this, mix it together. We're gonna keep stirring it until the oil coconut come up, and you will see it. If it's too dry, add a little bit more coconut milk, just a little bit, and keep stirring it. You know, when you do like this, it make our curry really creamy. When you see the oil around the curry paste like this, it means you're ready to put the chicken into it. But before I put in, I'm gonna turn the heat into the medium. Yeah, and add the chicken into it. Stir it. Make the curry cover the chicken. Let the chicken cook for 50%. And now I'm going to add the coconut milk into it. Stir it a little bit and let it boil for 5 minutes. And the boil like this, I'm gonna put the flavor on. Start with half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish salt. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Did you see really creamy about that? I'll put my chili, red pepper chili on there, and Kaffir. Oh, see that. Now our panang is ready. I'm gonna turn the heat off and let it. Look at that, how creamy they are. Yes, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and ding the bell for me, please. See you in the next video. Bye.